Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app, and in today's video I will show you how to fix Telegram login problems on iPhone. First of all, open Telegram and click on start messaging. Now type in your number and click on continue. Make sure the number you are using is your correct phone number and the correct country code. Make sure your internet connection is working properly. Then click on continue. You shall either get a verification code. If you are not receiving the verification code, wait for a few minutes and try again. You can also restart the Telegram app or update it from the App Store. In some cases, switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data may also help fix login issues. And that's it. Those are some quick ways to fix Telegram login problems on iPhone. Thank you for watching and follow us for more tips and tutorials.